2020 was a tough year for individual and for the business. The lockdown had brought everything to standstill. Slowly, the things are getting normal, and so the business. But now, the challenge is even bigger. It is not just bringing the business back to normal, but to bring it back efficiently and cover up for the loss that it has faced. And one way to do it effectively is by reducing operating costs and increase the ROI along with profit.
Are you wondering how to reduce your operating cost and increase the ROI along with the profit? Then you should watch this video till the end, because I will be sharing you a simple solution that can help you to reduce your operating cost and increase ROI along with the profit. I am Pranav Shah, a director and founder of ROI'S Power Private Limited, and I welcome you at Dr. Am's Lab. Let's go! But wait! Have you subscribed the channel? If not, please do it now and press the bell icon to receive the notification. Now we can go! Hi there! Many of you might be wondering, where is Dr. M? Actually, he is on a vacation for a couple of weeks. So, I will be your host for his lab till then. Let's begin today's episode. In any of the business, the general rule is increase the expense, lower the operating profit, and operating expense are those which reduce the net margin and resulting in further reduction of the profit. One of the major factors that increase operating expense is the power and power backup system. The bad power management and the bad power backup system add the huge of the production and the maintenance cost. Let me explain you how. There is always a theoretical calculation while designing the capacity in every UPS system in any application. Generally, UPS give maximum efficiency in 100% load, but many times depending upon day-to-day operation of the industry, lower loads being operated in the system. Therefore, in the actual scenario, the load on the UPS is only 25 to 75%, leading to less efficiency of overall system at the lower loads. Well, now you must be thinking, what is the solution? Because UPS is the key to continuous and smooth production. But if they are not efficient, then what is the alternative? Well, the alternative is also very simple. Get custom designed UPS system based on your load requirement and the ones which are efficient at any level of the load from 25 to 100%. This type of system will give you a long-term saving in terms of efficiency. Here, allow me to take a few minutes of your time to explain you how that MSP team can help you out here. As I said earlier, UPS is the key to continuous and smooth production, but if there's UPS cater to high maintenance cost, a manufacturing plant lose the control of operating cost. We at MSP look UPS as an overall solution. Our models are designed with the latest technology with the high component which will provide you with the maximum life. Our product gives guaranteed energy saving and faster return on investment you make. MSP recognized as a #1 partner in the UPS market. Also, we are the Schneider Electric value partner who is the #1 when it comes as energy saving in the product. And if you are looking for the UPS for home or office or any accessories for data center, please do visit our online store at www.mspwebstore.com. Choosing us is your choice, but what we recommend is that you make right decision to make your business more profitable. Well, that is it for today's episode. If you need more details about UPS system that they are fit in your business, get in touch with us at info@msplgroup.com or call us at 9696086262. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. The links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification about our upcoming videos, where we will be sharing more insight and solution like this. Thanks for watching this video till end. This is Pranav Shah signing off. See you soon.